Namaskar and welcome. You're watching DD News. I'm Sakal Bhatt and the top story at this hour. A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed deep concern and pain over the situation in the Kashmir Valley, Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh has left for Jammu and Kashmir for 2 days visit starting today. The Home Minister is expected to interact with a wide cross-section of society, apart from state government and political leaders and officials, to best find a way towards a peace process.
Continuing with its efforts to find a solution to the situation in Kashmir, the government has now decided to step up the engagement levels. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh will undertake a 2-day visit to the Kashmir Valley to review the situation and hold talks with cross-section of people. This tour has been decided a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed deep concern and pain over the situation in Kashmir. Rajnath will reach Srinagar on Wednesday morning for the 2-day trip. During his stay there, Rajnath Singh will discuss the situation with state leaders and officials, but this tour will also see active engagements with many other sections of the society. That will include political parties and also members of the civil society. The endeavour will be to absorb as many suggestions coming from various quarters about the efforts to normalize the situation in the valley. This will be the second tour of Rajnath Singh to the valley within a month. The unequivocal message is that India stands by the people of Kashmir through thick and thin.
कश्मीर की स्थिति सामान्य होनी चाहिए, पीस एंड नॉर्मलसी रिस्टोर होनी चाहिए, बहाल होनी चाहिए. बातचीत करेंगे, अपने लोग हैं.
The trip comes with its political threads attached. During a meeting with the opposition leaders from the state, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had expressed deep concern and pain at the prevailing situation in the valley. He emphasized that there has to be a dialogue and the efforts to find a permanent and lasting solution to the problem have to be within the framework of the constitution. The efforts are gaining acceptance across the political spectrum in the state.
मुझे खुशी है कि वजीर आजम ने ये कहा कि ये हमारे अपने बच्चे हैं, हम डायलॉग करना है, हर चीज का मसले का हल डायलॉग के जरिए. और मैंने पहले भी बोला, जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग बड़े अमन पसंद हैं, वादी कश्मीर के लोग सब अमन पसंद है. ये जरूर है कि सब लोग हल चाहते हैं मसले का.
गृह मंत्री जा रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है. इनको बार बार जाना चाहिए, प्रयास करना चाहिए, कोशिश करनी चाहिए.
Meanwhile, the Public Distribution Department is ensuring that no part of Kashmir faces a scarcity of essential supplies. Curfew has been lifted from many parts of Srinagar on Tuesday, and the situation is slowly returning to normal in many areas. Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution Department has kept its stores open despite the volatile situation. Local residents are also appreciating the government efforts.
CAPD की तरफ से बहुत अच्छी तरह राशन इशू कर रहे हैं और CAPD का बहुत अच्छा रोल रहा, खास करके डाउनटाउन में. वहाँ स्टोर कीपर 6 बजे आता है मॉर्निंग में, या बिल्कुल अच्छी तरीके से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है और लोगों की कोई भी तकलीफ नहीं है.
This is second visit of Rajnath Singh in a month to the valley, which has been witnessing unrest since July 8, when Hizbul Mujahideen terrorist Burhan Wani was killed in an encounter with security forces. As many as 65 people, including 2 policemen, have been killed and several thousand injured so far in the violence. The Prime Minister has emphasized need for a dialogue within the ambit of Constitution, and the trip by Home Minister is seen as a step taken exactly in the same direction, showing the will of the centre to walk the talk. With Sudhakar Das report, DD News.